The Global Campus is unique in bringing together human rights scholarship and practice from over 100 universities throughout the world. This new initiative on human rights preparedness has been prompted by the COVID crisis, a global pandemic that took us all by surprise. It is still raging, especially now in the global south, and it is far from over. But already, we have learned much from the experience. We have realized that the pandemic itself is a human rights issue, about the right to life, access to healthcare, the importance of reliable information, and the crucial role for civil society. We have seen how the pandemic has impacted on the most vulnerable, and how it has also brought forward hate speech, domestic violence, and marginalization. We've seen many countries declaring emergency measures, including restrictions on fundamental freedoms, and we've seen the emergence of new human rights issues, such as mass surveillance. The big question for all of us now is, what can we learn from this crisis so that we can plan better for the next one, whether that is another health pandemic, a climate change event, or a major economic shock. Just as engineers prepare the flood defences for the next storm, or doctors prepare for the next humanitarian crisis, we in the human rights community must also prepare for the next major event. And how also do we help countries recover from this crisis, not just economically, but in terms of their democracy, human rights, and rule of law? There is a big agenda to be considered, and the Global Campus, drawing on its extensive network of learning throughout the world, is ideally placed to gather together the experiences of this pandemic, to analyse the human rights implications, and to think ahead as to how the world can prepare for future crises. This initiative on human rights preparedness is innovative, exciting, and essential. The European Union is proud to support it. I wish this endeavour every success, and as a practitioner, I look forward to reaping its results and to applying them in the years ahead.